In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads on a small budget for e-commerce. Managing effective advertising while keeping costs low is essential for small businesses, and today we'll walk through some streamlined steps to help you get started without breaking the bank. First and foremost, open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can find this by searching for Google Ads or by typing ads.google.com in the address bar. This is the starting point where your journey into online advertising begins. Being on this platform allows you to tap into an incredible network that can potentially drive more customers to your online store. Once you're on the homepage, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. If you don't already have an account, there's an option to create one here. Signing in will take you to your Google Ads dashboard where you can manage all your advertising activities. It's good to familiarize yourself with this dashboard as this will be your central hub for creating and monitoring your ad campaigns. When you're signed in and on the Google Ads home, look for the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll create new campaigns or modify existing ones. For running ads on a small budget, it's crucial to set clear objectives for your campaigns, whether it's driving traffic, increasing brand awareness, or boosting sales. Once you click on campaign, you can choose the type that best fits your needs. Selecting the correct campaign type is vital to ensure your ads are effectively targeting your desired audience. Now click on Audiences, Keywords and Content. This step is critical because it involves defining who your audience is, what keywords are relevant to your products and where your ads will appear. Carefully selecting the right audience and keywords can significantly affect the success and efficiency of your ad spend. Having a narrow focus ensures you're reaching potential customers rather than wasting impressions on uninterested viewers. Proceed to the Keywords section. This is where you'll be able to refine your keyword strategy. Keywords should tie closely to what your potential customers are searching for. The next step is crucial. Click on Match Type. It's here where you'll decide between phrase match or exact match for your keywords. Using phrase match or exact match helps you control when your ads appear, essentially stretching your budget further by only displaying ads for searches that closely align with your selected keywords. Phrase match will show ads for searches that include your phrase, while exact match will trigger ads only when the exact keyword or very close variations are searched. Practice patience and continuously monitor your ads' performance. Keeping track of metrics helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize and refine your strategy. Adjust your audience, keywords, or match type if necessary to see better results within your budget. That wraps up our guide on running Google Ads on a small budget for e-commerce. The key is to start small, refine your approach, and make data-driven decisions. With careful planning and execution, your ads can become a powerful tool in driving affordable growth for your business. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.